Do you still play hockey a little bit?
No.
All done?
Nice crappie. Nice bluegill.
Nice bluegill.
Another nice bluegill.
I mean,
good panfish here on the Madison chain.
Look at that guy.
Let me get
How big is he?
Well, about 9-incher. Big bull.
Big bull.
We'll see bigger.
Alright.
I gotta take off the layer, it's warm out there.
We got another net full of fish here. Going to be recording some more information. A few walleyes in this one.
You start with walleyes if you can.
Don't take the big one yet. I want to get a picture of that one.
Male, 16.
Nice walleye.
Male. 15 even.
Not anymore.
Ready for the big one?
I kind of want to get a picture of that one, though. Leave him for last, would you?
Mm-hmm. There's some nice fillets in there. Coming home with Papa. 15-8. Male. 14.
That video camera going, you'll get that right on your chin.
YouTube, here we go.
Here's a nice female walleye, too, just clipped and to be released. Cool. Bringing some more fish in. Getting mostly white bass, some walleyes, a few northern, a lot of panfish. Good population of bluegills in the Madison chain of lakes.
There's a hander.
Now that's what you call a nice bluegill. You talk about hand-sized gills, there's a beauty.
Edie.